Today we're going to be testing out the ZAGG InvisibleShield XTR. This is a tempered glass screen protector for your brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now ZAGG does make a bold claim right on the box here. It says that their screen protector is 9 times stronger than traditional tempered glass. Well, we will be testing that out with a scratch and a drop test to see how durable it really is, so make sure you stick around till the end of the video. And if you guys want to pick this up, I will also be putting links in the video description. So let's get started. So we get one tempered glass screen protector, an installation guide, and some installation products. The first thing we need to do is to clean off our screen with the alcohol wipe, then dry it off. Then take your installation guide, make sure that where it says the top with the arrow is pointing upward. Take your phone, place it in the guide with the camera cutout facing towards the top, just like that. Then take your screen protector, making sure that the camera cutout is going towards the camera on the phone and this sticker is facing downward. Also note on the screen protector, the top holes are round, the bottom are oval to match up with the posts on the guide. Peel off the sticker from the underside of the screen protector. And then place your screen protector down over the guide, making sure it doesn't touch the screen of the phone yet. Just like that. And then they say just press your finger in the middle of the screen. It should adhere to your phone. We do have a bubble in the side here. And I would recommend, if you do have one, a squeegee or a credit card, try to get those bubbles out before we take off the top screen protector. And it seems like the bubbles on the side come right out. Do that for every other portion of the screen you see. I don't know why they did not include a squeegee with this installation. And then once it's done, you can peel up your top protector and you're all set. Once that's done, you can take your phone out of the guide and we'll take a look at the screen protector. So installation was super easy. It does look like there is a slight gap all the way around your phone, so it should be case friendly, but we're going to test that out. And there is also a cutout for the front camera, so you don't have to worry about the screen protector interfering with your pictures or facial recognition. So looking at the screen protector, I don't see any bubbles. It came out really well. As far as touch goes, it is pretty smooth, feels like the glass that's on the phone itself. Let's test out our fingerprints. So it does seem to pick up some fingerprints, but they easily just wipe away with minimal effort. Now let's test out how touch works. Seems to be working just fine. No problems there. And it is also crystal clear. Looks really nice. So now let's test it out with our case. It does seem to fit really well, and if you look, there is still a gap all the way around the case itself, so it's not actually touching the case, so there's no lifting. It should be case friendly, but again, the only way to tell if this is going to work with your case is to actually try it out. But for the most part, it does look like it should be case friendly, so that's definitely a plus. The edges of the screen protector are also rounded off, so it feels really nice when you run your finger over it. So I'm liking the screen protector so far. Now let's move on to the scratch and the drop test. So we're going to be dropping a 2.4 ounce steel metal ball at a starting height of about 2 feet. If the screen protector doesn't crack, we'll move it up foot by foot until it eventually does. So here we're starting off at 2 feet. Here we go at 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, so this screen protector only lasted up until a 5-foot drop, which is definitely not the best drop protection I've seen for screen protectors. But let's move on to the scratch test. So screen protectors typically start to scratch around a level 6. We're going to start off with level 5 and move on from there. So here we have a number 5, Mo's pick. Then here we have a number 6. And then a number 7. Alright, so let's take a closer look. As you can see, there are no scratches at a level 5. There are slight at a level 6 and a little deeper at a level 7. So this tempered glass screen protector is pretty much on par with other tempered glass. It might be a little better because these are only light scratches, whereas some other tempered glass I've seen, it's a much deeper groove at a level 6. So installation for the screen protector was really easy. It does also seem to be case friendly. Scratch resistance seems to be a little better than typical tempered glass screen protectors, but as far as the drop protection goes, it's definitely not the best for drop protection, but it's also not the worst. It's pretty much in the middle of the road. So if you do like ZAGG and you want this screen protector, I would recommend it, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Now let's see how easily it would come off your phone if you were to damage the screen protector. So it does seem to lift fairly easily, and it's still in one piece. So again, if you guys do want to pick this screen protector up, I will be putting links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.